She stitches dawn with silent thread in crimson loom where stars are fed. No hoot just hums that curly hair like incense through a woven stair. Her eyes hold loops of golden sound that turn lost footsteps upside down. Each blink a pulse beneath the skin, inviting you to step right in. Feel the pattern start to breathe. Let the red light lift your